In order to read text, hold the OrCam Read steady, directly facing the text at a distance of about 12 inches away from the text. Press the trigger button, which will trigger the laser indicator, and a square frame will be projected towards the text. Adjust the laser square frame in order to capture the desired text. Continue press down, and after 2 seconds, the camera will sound as OrCam takes a picture of the text. OrCam Read will make several beeps as it processes the picture. It will then begin reading the text and chime when done. Note, if the finger is released after less than 2 seconds, the camera will not be activated. To pause reading, press the trigger button twice. To resume reading, press the trigger button twice. To skip forward, press on the plus volume button. To skip back, press on the minus volume button. To stop reading, press the trigger button.
You can switch to laser pointer mode by simultaneously pressing the plus and minus volume buttons.
There are 2 laser pointer modes. 1, border for reading full text, and 2, mouse to start reading at a specific location.